Hello everyone. Hello guys. I'm with the last part of the chemical reactions and equations chapter. That is corrosion and rancidity. The last topic of your first chapter. Right. Welcome back to the Smart Learning channel where the place, the platform you learn the math and science subject as easy as ABC. Right. So in the previous session we have completed the types of reaction. Right. What are those? The quite we should remember those all types of chemical reaction like combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, right? Oxidation, reduction, redox reaction, right? You need to balance all the chemical reaction. You need to observe the oxidation carefully, reduction carefully, everything. The reaction is the backbone of this chapter. Again, these are the theory topics. In this topics in radication and acidity and corrosion, both topic has reactions. Okay, let us discuss these two and let's finish this chapter. Right? Okay. First, let's discuss about corrosion first. Corrosion, quite common. You have seen, you have listened this word from small class also. What is corrosion? In Kannada, we call it as uh, what we call jang ಹತ್ತುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಜಂಗ್ ಹಿಡ್ದಿರೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು, right? Like that. Okay, no problem. Corrosion. Simple. I'm going to write this statement first. See that that is the definition, that is the process. Okay? Okay. When some metals, when some metals react with surrounding factors or substance around us, substance around us, like oxygen, it means outside, vapor. See, these are all surrounding substance, right? Etc. etc. To form, when the metals are reacted with those, the metals are get spoiled. The metals gets spoiled, which is called corrode, which is called corrode. This process of, or this process is called corrosion. Formation of corrode is called corrosion, but you should write this as definition. Okay. Okay, let us understand this. Metal, any metal, iron, silver, whatever it may, iron, metals, when those are reacting with outside oxygen in the environmental, or what I told, surrounding us or surround it, the metal, so when some metals react with substance around us, which means us, you can write it, because we are going to talk about the metals, right? So what I am going to tell is it, because it indicates the metals. Where are the metals? That particular place surrounded by the oxygen or vapor, anything. When these metals react with oxygen and this vapor to form corrode, the metals are spoiled. The metals are completely spoiled. Jung it is bitu avella. We call, right? Jangu, we call the metals are spoiled. That is called corrode. Jangu is called corrode. Corrode is in the Kannada we call jangu. That process of forming that jung-like substance is called, which is called corrode, is called corrosion. Is called corrosion. Example, as I told, Fe, simple reaction, Fe plus oxygen. What happens, Rar? With plus water, when we add with oxygen, with we add water, what we get? Ferric oxide. Simple ferric oxide. will come. Ferric oxide means Fe2O3 dot XH2O. The number of ions of water is present because water is there. Vapor is nothing but water. Water is phenon. It means number of water molecules are present. Another example. Silver, when we react with the sulfur, we get AgS, silver sulfide. Ag, see sulfide it 2 no, Ag2S, right? These two examples are you can mention for the corrosion topic, right? This is corrosion. What is corrosion? Corrosion is that metals when react with surrounding of it like oxygen and vapor, their metals are spoiled. The spoiling area is we call as corrode. That process is called corrosion. All about corrosion here. Okay, the process is called corrosion. Now, rancidity. Simple, same. The concept are similar to each other. Okay. First, I'm going to write about rancidity definition. See, when fats and oils react with oxygen or when they are oxidized, okay, when they are oxidized or the oxidation takes place in the fats and oils, the taste and smell changes is called the process, sorry, the process is called rancidity. What is rancidity? The fats and oils. See, fats, which is body giving substances, which bulk amount. Fats, oils, you know that these two are react with oxygen, the surrounding oxygen, which is oxidized. When fats and oils are oxidized, then what happens? Those fats and oils taste and smell is changes. Both are changes. This changing of taste and smells of fats and oils is called rancidity. Rancidity. Okay. See, this particular topic, which is corrosion and rancidity, are quite common in everywhere because these are happening in the uh, a small space wherever those metals are present, fats are present, oils are present, right? So it is quite common. This can be prevented. The prevention is method is also present here. No problem. There is another factors too. It is prevented by adding some antibiotics. What do you mean by see, prevented by antibiotics? What do you mean by antibiotics and what did you uh, tell about this particular antibiotics? It is a fighting opposite to the disease, fighting opposite to something else. Antibiotics or antioxidants we can call. Okay, antibiotics is not a sufficient way of telling. It is another type. We can tell it antioxidants because the antioxidants, it means NTS. Because of oxidation is happening, no, we should give opposite to oxidation. It means reduction. The substance that prevent oxidation, that substance that fight against the oxidation is called antibiotic, which is an example of N2 gas here. Oxygen gas is quite opposite to N2. They are enemies together. Okay, antibiotics means we fight against the oxidant or substance which prevent oxidation or oxidant is called antibiotic. Example N2 gas. By N2 gas we can keep those smell, those taste as it is of facts and noise. Clear? This is all about corrosion and acidity, and this is all about your first chapter, chemical reactions and equations, right? See, so far first chapter is completed. You should be aware of chemical balancing equations, okay? And also these all topics, if you did not understand well, see the once again video. If any doubts, comment in the comment box. We are free to answer those questions, right? No problem. Anything in the next session, I'm going to come up with some of the questions to you. We are planning to give questions to people, all 1 marks, MCQs, whatever it means, previous year questions, everything we are going to discuss to your people of first chapter. In the next part, I'm going to come with that. Right? Until then, take care. Happy learning to everyone. Be surety of the concept. Be fun in the concept and balance all the chemical reactions. And the next part, I'm going to come up with some of the questions. And after that, we're going to come up with the second chapter of the chemistry.